Understanding AngularJS 4's HTTP client for data communication. AngularJS 4, a brief overview. This robust front-end framework, based on JavaScript, powers web applications with its dynamic features and seamless performance. With AngularJS 4, developers can build responsive, user-friendly web interfaces that offer a rich user experience. Handling HTTP requests. AngularJS 4's HTTP client supports various HTTP methods, including GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, and more. Manipulating data with HTTP client. One of the powerful features of HTTP client is its ability to manipulate data seamlessly. Whether you're working with JSON data or need to format data for server communication, HTTP client provides the tools you need to handle data effectively. Working with promises and observables. AngularJS 4's HTTP client leverages promises and observables for handling asynchronous communication. Promises allow you to manage asynchronous operations and handle the results once they are available. Exploring HTTP headers and data exchange formats. With HTTP client, you can easily set custom headers to include metadata or authentication tokens in your HTTP requests. Conclusion. By understanding AngularJS 4's HTTP client, you can elevate your web development skills and create dynamic web applications with seamless data communication.